Hello guys and welcome back to Yuvan's Tech tutorial channel. Today we are going to be learning how to log into Facebook automatically. While automatically logging into Facebook is convenient, it is essential to prioritize the security of your account. For automatic login, Facebook generally relies on saved login credential. Here is a general tutorial on how to enable automatic login to Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook app. Enter your email address or phone number in the provided field. After that, enter your passport in passport field and tap on login. After successfully logging in, the Facebook app may ask if you want to save your login information. Enable this option to log in automatically in the future. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.